Amaziga merere kadama munaffe avunze susu wansi yenna avaayo musaayi na kivundu kwe kyava byonna mbikuleetedde kyava kuki n'ebirala binnya ebisingawo akatambi kaleese maaso ogenda kalaba ate nga n'omulala yasibiddwa lwa butakola mukama we massage ebisingawo mbikuleetedde ne Brenda Mouse n'amawulire amalala gonna ngaleese maaso awo wasibye tyasuze tegwino omulungi ampuliriza Ocean Media Call subscribe for more updates like share and comment tuyalabira okunyinga notification bell obenga notified when take our video empya nyongera okubajikiza jana airport pickup tuyina Ramadan discount muje tutambule fenna mwenna abaana bakoma after Ramadan tuyina discount jangu ku WhatsApp jangu inbox booking nga discount tena bakugwako ng'emyondo teginnaddamu kulinnya emyondo giri wansi ddala nga bw'ogiraba era nga nyongera n'obajikiza mwenna abaana abadda Jinja Mutala 15 Masaka 15 Mityana 15 emiwendo gyase kyemba mumanya muje booking obudde bukyali ganga mitwalo 2 Mbali mitwalo 3 Busia mitwalo 3 tulina discount muje mu booking nga discount tena bakugwako ate muje tuteese ku WhatsApp tubate tusobola kulemerwa tulina free wifi ate nga tulina n'ebyokulya tukyusa ne ssente gwe naye nakomo ne ssente zo teweraliikira kudda na ssente zo bwebazitema ku airport wesiga jana airport pickup ssente zo ngena zifunanga bwe ziri emiwendo gyaffe giri wansi ddala bbeeyi yanseko buseko nga tweyongeddeyo ntandise ne house manager munnaffe oyo ekyo kifaananyi kyolabira ddala munnange yasibiddwa boss we ali mu kkomera lwa kugaana kumukola massage jjukira nti abawalabu abasinga basiyaga abaana amutandikiriza mpolampola jangu ntakuleko wano jangu okole massage jjukira abaana bava e Uganda nga bakyalina ku mpisa z'e Uganda owuliriza omuntu omukulu kyabeera akugambye abaana abasinga gye bakoma okugenda nga amassage nga boss we amutakulako wamugambye gye biggwera ng'ogenda okulaba abadde mu massage ng'omugongo nga bikkiridde massage ng'ebisambi massage nga wakati mu magulu massage nga kabina asobole okusikasika feelings atandike okumwagazisa ekintu ekyo munange house manager munaffe yaganye boss we yasazeewo kumusiba ensonyi yazifudde obusungu era bwenjogerera ali mukomera tumusabire Katonda musasira afune justice aveeyo ate adde Uganda nga mulamu bulungi nnyo nga tweyongeddeyo ngenda kubeera nga nkuwa akatambi ka muganda waffe munnange yavunda wansi atudde wansi okumala omwezi mulamba tasitukawo tatambula teyekyusa afukaawo byonna abikolerawo ava mu kivundu atonya musaayi ensonga za alina ebijini ebimukozesa so byamuleese obuvunawo bwonna afuba okulaba ng'akubira emiranga kampani ezamuleeta naye bambi tusaba muyambe omwana we tusaba muyambe muganda waffe at least ajjanjabibwe ewaka n'ekintu kulwala ku mawanga ate nga tolina na bujjanjabi bannange nakyo kiralamu kyannaku nnyo kyannaku ddala ngenda kubeera nga nkulekera akatambi okalabe ate omanye ddala kituufu embeera gyali mune oba olina amagezi gwandisobodde okumuwa saba weeyambise comment section.
Kampani gye navamu okuva e Uganda bagiyita Talasa ina ne ginnaayo bagiyita Maximus zonna ziri ntinda gye natuukiramu wano Saudi Arabia bagiyita biibino nsaba kunyamba omuntu gwe natuukiramu eyo kampani bamuyita Mr. Oscar abaana bonna abayitako mwatalasi Mr. Oscar amanyikiddwa kuba aluddewo nnyo nsaba buyambi Mr. Oscar wanaalaba vidiyo eno ojja kutegeera kye njogerako nakutuukirira omwezi mulamba nga njogera naawe Madam Stella oli manager w'eyo kampani Atlas nsaba buyambi simenya kinoomu buli muntu yena asobola okunyamba nsaba buyambi wasaazi n'amagulu gasanyaladde mwezi mulamba siyimuka nsaba buyambi nfuka muno mwenkola buli kimu nsaba buyambi simu yange baginzijjako eri mu layini yange ye Uganda nsaba buyambi omuntu yenna yena asobola okunyamba nsaba buyambi bwebanga kampani egamba nti oba nina kye nakola baveeyo bakyogere at least banteeke mu makubo amatuufu nsaba buyambi, nsaba buyambi.
Kyanaku nnyo era tusaba Katonda hasula munaffe afune obuyambi, ayambibwe addizibwe waka ate afune n'obujjanjabi atereere. Bannange njongera bakubiriza mwekwate nnyo Katonda, mubeere nnyo basabi, buli omu asabe mu ddiini ye. Bwe kuba kusaala ng'oli musiraamu saala, osiibe osaale kuzisuna, osiibe kuzisuna, bannange osobole okubeera nga weekingiriza ebintu ng'ebyo, ebijinijini ng'ebyo n'ebirala ebisitaani bwe bityo. Katonda asobole okubeera nga abikuwugulira bigende wala, bireke kutuukako. Naye nga kyanaku ddala kankulekere Brenda Mayuzi.
Anna, do you have a friend who is not your level? Like who doesn't have a car and rents a house below 250? What do you mean? When I didn't have a car and I was renting a one-roomed room, you know those rooms, the mizigo rooms, the small house of the main house. Mizigo rooms where it's just a one-roomed room, separated with a curtain, and then there's like a bathroom, you're lucky it's inside or even outside. I used to stay in a house like that, 250k. I remember it was in Kalinabiri, in Bukoto. And I had friends who drove and were staying in their houses, and they were my friends. And those friends were good for me because of them I aspired to get out of whichever situation it is I was in and got here. In the same spirit, I have friends who are at different levels of growth. And may you understand that growth is different for you as it is for the next person. Also, your morning is not someone else's morning. Like when your things start working out, it's not the same time everyone else's things start working out. So I have friends who are at different levels of growth. I have friends who believe that having a car does not match their lives. Like in this Kampala, where you can get an Uber, where you can jump on a boda, where you can get where you need to go, even quicker and easier than someone who is driving. Because sometimes I really am about to abandon my car, jump on a boda and rush to make it on time in a meeting. So in a city like that, having a car really is not a status symbol as much. Also, if you intend to stay in the city, I stay in the outskirts and blouses of Kampala. Actually, I can comfortably say I don't stay in the capital city of Uganda, Kampala. I stay in Wakiso, like the outskirts, like outside the city. So if that's the case, there are people whose business and whose work needs them to stay in town. And the accommodation in town doesn't need to be a whole... What am I saying? The people that I surround myself with are different levels. When I think around, like my BFFs drive, and they don't stay in 250 houses. But I have friends who stay in 250k houses, whose lives I see skyrocketing. I see them and see their future. They see the future and I believe it with them, and we are friends. Guys on my crew, people on my team, on my production team, not everyone comes driving, but that doesn't mean those are not my friends. Someone will say those are acquaintances, they are workmates. I have a weakness. I try, sometimes I fail, but I always try to be friends with the people I work with, because somehow my emotional status informs my performance. When I am at peace and I'm okay and I'm happy with everyone that has shown up and everyone has shown up on time and their relatives are not sick. I don't want to work with a DOP whose wife is in hospital. I don't want to work with a sound guy whose child is sick and that is not concerning me. That means I don't get 100%. My boda man, I want to know if the wife gave birth and how the wife gave birth. And those people live differently. And they are my friends. I like tapping into them, because also tapping into such people reminds you to be grateful for where you are. So yes, I have friends who don't drive, who I love so much, who I don't even think, if I was to advise them, I don't think they should buy a car. Then I have friends who stay in houses of 1 million shillings, but they can't afford them. They can't afford that house. They're killing themselves, and I can see they're killing themselves with a bill that they cannot afford. And I bet they would be better friends to me if they stayed in something they can afford, so that we stop straining each other. So yes, my friend, me, I have friends who don't even have where they are staying. You're saying 250. I have friends who are homeless. And it's not Earlier in life, I was that kind of person who brought solutions to every conversation. Like if a friend of mine came to me to talk to me, it would not be me listening. It would be me listening to know what am I going to do to help this person. And as I've lived, I've realized it's not every time someone is telling you their problems that they want you to directly provide the solution to them. But listening is good enough sometimes. Because for a long time, every time I listen, especially unless I don't care about you, if I love you and I care about you and you're in a state that I don't like, I always made it my point to be nearly more stressed about your situation than I am. And it took a toll on me. And as a 39-year-old girl, this year turning 40 next year, I need to choose my problems. And as I grow, I choose my problems very carefully. Yeah, so I care up to where I can. I make sure, for instance, you'd ask, Anne, you're not a true friend. You're there driving, your son is in international school, for you're staying in your house. My God, you're eating with sticks while people are hungry. People you call your friends are hungry. I play my part. And usually it's so easy for you to sail in however you live if you know you play your part, if it is well with your heart, if you know you're there for them, if they need your help, and if they can ask. Also, there's a trick they call asking, talk. Sometimes you have a friend and you assume they know what the hell you're going through. Talk. And then when you talk and those people listen, ask. Even the Bible says, ask and it shall be given. I'm not God that I can read your mind. Can we pick this phone call together? Let me see this person. Yes, hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Am I talking to Kansime Backpacker?
You're talking to Kansime Anne.
Anne? Oh, okay. I was wondering if there's a space on the 21st.
Of this month?
This month, yeah.
No. It's closed till Easter for renovations.
It's closed till Easter for renovation. Okay.
That's why I'm the one picking the phones.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Samuel.
Samuel. We can hunt you down when we open.
All right.
All right. Have a lovely day.
You too.
Do you see? Politeness don't cost you anything. So yes, on that note, Kansime Backpackers is actually currently closed for renovations. I want to come back with a bang on Easter. Then I think I'm going to have a show also at the lake on my birthday, 13th April. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I've answered you. If I've not, please comment. Let's talk on it. Also, the reason I'm opening these Q&A sessions is I have a show 9th May at Sheraton with Talent Africa. It's a comedy, the comedy grill of Kansime, of yours truly. I am going to be the meat being grilled on that day. It's just, for those of you who don't understand what a comedy roast is, today is the day I educate you.
Mbawadde pateyo nga njagala tubeeko ekyokwega kye tufunamu kuba abantu ennamba esinga kasita bafuna ssente nga mikono gyabwe myavu bagyerabira nga byolabira mikwano gyabwe ababadde mikwano gyabwe abatalinamu kasente. So munsi muno buli muntu wa mugaso. So katweyongereyo ku Brenda Miles ate wamala twendooza mu comment section.
Ekisajja tekikubulira oba owooma. My friend, my husband ye wakitiibwa, he respect himself. Okitegeera kati gwe tolina by'otugamba. Labayo onagamba yagala enamba yo. Mbe yo baby girl agambe share me your husband number. How brave, how is Apple money? Kuno nakubuuza talina linnya. Agambye Apple tamumanyi. Mwabagala kutwala bba wange, I'm sorry for you. Wafuna olubuto oba? Mbu nafunye empologoma, olundaba ne uluguma. How is Babidye brave? Babidi omumanyi? Ono taina akolinya, I think oba sister ono listen aye nsindikira message bansindikira bifanani bya mama simanyi ngana. Ne Brenda osinga Mary Butter oluzungu. Mary Butter, hey, mwana gwenze sasoma. Nze sasoma but I can speak English. Wajisani doshegera nzo oluzungu ndumanyi wajisani yeah. I can speak English. Amanya tekachanyirira, it's a filter you can see. It's a I have yellow teeth. It's a filter, my friend, but when you meet me in real life I have fucking good teeth. Filter. Ate now you have a phone, you have right to use any filter you want. Oshegera oba manyo ga yellow oba siga yellow, as long as daddy blessing he loves me so much. Oshegera kati go wa diba, it's up to you. Gende wa mukama akurokole na ofuna akwagala because nze govuma nina bawange. My dad is here. Oshegera my dad he is here. I don't care whether you talk obongo or yogede choba yogede chi, as long as bawanga njagala. Yes, nze bawange yanjagala nga bwendi. Oh no, nali nfudde nga nkozesa drugs nyingi, but Mr. Brave, he loves me the way am I. Oshegera yanjagala nga bwendi. Kati gwe tolina kyongamba, gwe sikumanyi tomanyi tondiisa. Oshegera mwe mundabidde ku social media mwali museka, kati ebigambo byabagwako nafuna bawanga ndabise bulungi. Kati ebigambo byabagwako muli balogo mubulako katono kuloga naye lwakuba temulina capital. Kati tolina byongamba. Omuntu gwembe ekitiibwa ye Katonda gwentya ne bawange. I respect my dad to be dad blessing. Oshegera I respect dad blessing, and I first thank Mama Fina yampa simu. Nze kumanya ndina omukisa. Mama Fina yampa simu. Oshegera nebaza muganda wange SB4 yagamba Mama Fina nampa esimu. Ate nebaza bawange okuleta wano SB4 because wane waka SB4 yali tamanyiyo wano wembeera mbere wa bawange Mr. Brave. SB4 yajja nakola ki nayogera ne Mama Fina ne bampa simu. Kitegeeza nze ndi wa mukisa, ndikana ka mikisa. Waba omanyi oli mulungi oloza Mama Fina yamba budi omu, lwaki nze Mama Fina yangulira esimu. Kitegeeza nze ndi mwana wa mikisa. Ate ne SB4 njagala. Okitegeera we proud of you my son. Thank you so much. Yes, nze ndi mwana wa mikisa because Mama Fina tamalaga yamba budi omu. Nze Mama Fina yampa esimu. Kitegeeza Brenda ndi wa mikisa. Oshegera nze nali ndi awo SB4 muganda wange. My SB4 is my brother. Yeah, SB4 is my brother. SB4 yaja wane wake wa bawange nagamba Mama Fina kuwadde esimu. Oshegera netugamba Mama Fina webale. Kitegeeza nze ndina omukisa. Nze si meetingangako Mama Fina but ndina omukisa. Mama Fina yampa esimu nga tandabangako. Abamu mumala okwegayirira okumulaba naye nze Mama Fina yampa esimu. Katemu temunsesemera ko mbanti Mama Fina yamba abanaku. Gwe ng'oli munaku lwaki tanakuyamba? Ne musimu oba Brenda ndaba weta ne Brenda. Gwe ng'oli munaku lwaki tanakuyamba? Oli oluzungira ku account yange osesema. Gendo gambe nyoko omukube engalo koma nyoko muli wano munsesemera ko muli ku account sisobola kuyomba nga bawange wali. I'm sorry daddy, sisobola. Kati goba mvuma kanku blocking because sina budde bukuddamu engeri bawange jali wano. Bawange wabeerawo sisobola kuyomba nze kanku blocking. Nze kamba blocking, yes, because bawange wali I can't abuse anyone. Sisobola kuyomba because my husband who's here, my dad to be. My dad, he's here. I can't abuse anyone. Oshegera. Munayo musajja mugumu banange. First think about his name. His name is called the Brave. Brave is called the Brave. If you know wasomako, you have to understand the brave means what. Oshegera erinya lye bamuyita Brave. Already kuyomba. Ati ngambye bange wabeera osiyomba. Do the way you talk oyinza olowooza kata oyinza gwe yasomako but inza sasoma nakoma primary 6 naye sasoma nafuna omulenzi omuto bawange yangamba mbu yakoma senior 4 simanyi oba yandimba daddewa limba okay nze sasoma naye nafuna bawange yakoma senior 4 yes nze bawange yakoma senior 4 nze nakoma primary 6 sasoma naye mukama yampa omwami intelligent woman smart intelligent man smart man oshegera omusajja ategeera mbubambi your husband is humble yes bawange ali humble ate bawange yasoma bange yakoma senior 4 nze nakoma primary 6 sasoma naye mukama yampa omwami you talk too much mukwano gwe atayogera nnyo okola ki ku akaunti yange tolaba gwe musiru oshegera nze ndi mukiga nze embwa ninjigamba embwa amazinga ayita amazi embuzi njiyita mbuzi tolina byongamba woba omanyi byenjogera tebikuyamba okola ki ku akaunti yange ozunza olutwe shame on you nze nsobola kubavuma mpaka ku makya because omwami wange yampadde olukusa weerage nyina okweraga wama wasalawo bulungi yes nze nasalawo kubeera dde omwami wange naye mulamu wunazirise so mulama bwakuvuma buli omu wabula gwe tonjasamira mukwano tonjasamira because this is my fucking account eno account yange sikuyise wano oba manyi nvuma okola ki ku account yange I love you baby girl never I love you too mukwano mbagala nnyo abanjagala abatanjagala mu abamanyi omukiga watabukatabuka aza abakiga tikwenda kamanyiro nyoti kwenda kamanyiro I don't joke with anyone because I don't fear anyone sina gwenti okujjako bawange I fear my dad to be and katonda nze ntya katonda wange katonda yatutonda munsi gwentya ne bawange ono gwe mulaba gwentya abalala I don't want to know ini Brenda we trust gwe abasobola nze abasobola omanyi bazunga okitegeera naye Brenda omusajja alabye naawe ddalu yeah my dad mami bali kutula wansi why lumana likola ibyo ne banda bawange musirifu nange kati nyina okwogera okitegeera konka eshoni zikaza nkahi eshoni neza ati mukwano mwe abalina ensonyi mwe abakola ebikolobero mwe abeevula abategera mwe abakola ebikolobero okitegeera takukuba oluyi mukwano nedda my friend my husband he is a smart guy okitegeera bawange ali smart okitegeera ategeera ajja kunkuba oluyi for what ofanana maigaru Jackie jogamba fanana muwalawo I saw in the morning going to Nabulagala market. You look healthy. What one that you daddy nga nva kugula mmere. Ono. T-shirt. Oba bakuita T-shirt. Yes, mbadde nva kugula mmere. Omanze kumacha nyino okukera ngende ngule mmere. Omusana nga teguna chai, omusana nga teguna jja. Ya woba ndabye webale kusiima. Ate banyonyole muzese yerusa you tell them that I don't bleach myself I'm a naturally brown oba t-shirt no wawandikako erinnya ebbi naawe simanyi disoma abanyonyole muzese yerusa you confirm them that I don't bleach me naturally I'm a beautiful abakiga mutumanyi nze ndi mukiga I'm a proud mukiga te yerusa ate nze ndi mweru mujja kutya Mr. Brave, thanks for understanding her band. Hi Brenda, I love you kama Matasha, how are you? Ogambota, you're so pretty, thank you. Oyo musajja yakwana yesterday, I gave him my number, tell him to call me. Tewesiba ku bawange, twaleero ogutwe gulingo gwenchima. Mbu bawange takwana, gwe towesiba ku bawange. Olaika yakukwanidde mu biroto, waba yakukwanidde mu biroto. Keep praying, keep dreaming, my friend. If my husband yakukwanidde mu birooto, keep dreaming because me I trust my husband. Oshegera my daddy to be, I trust him. Kati waba yakukwanye mu birooto, keep dreaming, okay? Yes, keep dreaming until you yes, banga waba yakukwanye alayika yakukwanidde mu birooto. Yes, fe bachiga we don't cheat. Bachiga we don't cheat. Ate bawanga supporting unali mu kubagamba bawe bagambe. Yes, my husband he don't cheat and me I can't cheat. Oshegera fe bachiga we don't cheat. Kati bawange tomwesiba ko takumanyi tomumanyi. Oshegera tewesiba ku bawange my friend to wesiba, don't try it because tetukumanyi. Ndaba Museveni yabafuga mbuba wafanana Museveni anti yabafuga kyova abange bamuyita brave ate kyova Museveni agenda kubafuga mpaka kuwulira bubi mu abasiru which I love you Brenda. Tasha, I love you too Fiona. How are you? You look beautiful. I love you too. In Mudra's voice lino nalyo bina eryanyoko brownie eryanyoko kitegera. Hey, hi sister, I love you so much. Good night. Likewise Nema, how are you? Daddy soko bavume bana bakulaba. Wanti bavume. We miss you Veno Mukirabu banange. Ntumirako Mr. Ram, DJ Ram, mugande mutumidde. Nanga Veno munjimisinga. Veno munjimisinga yali kilabu yange. I love you kapo mwana womuka. I love you too Maki. How are you? Gambo tya. Muri bulungi. Yo ashaming the man nawe totwasamira gwo gota swaza. Live ye genda kugwako. Smile. Ngenda kudda tobani gundi network ne read yakola we bati era esigala yo nayo wana enchankala ane anti ngenda jija ko kano wekagenda ko mbangenda kugida
Channel Ocean Media jana airport pick up nyongera bajukiza tuyina Ramadan discount mujembo kengo obudde bukyali emyondo gikyali wansi ddala munesigamba tambuze ku miwendo ejja wansi mujembo ganga tuyina discount tuyina free wifi ate nga tuyina n'ebyokulya jana airport pick up tukyusa ne sente tukola surprise and delivery tusibana ebimuli bya sente tubalalika kudda na sente zo nti wajja zitema ku airport munange jangu tambula njana airport pickup sente zote zigenda kutemebwa munesigamba tambuze tukyusa ne sente tukole surprise and delivery tubazulira abagalwa bamwe n'ebirala bingi nyina by 0704440558 nga bw'ogiraba ku screen jangu to booking obudde bukyali ne bw'oba tonafuna ticket kubanga abaana basinga ticket bazibawera ku airport so tokkiriza oba tolinda ku booking ng'essaawa eweddeyo jangu booking ng'obudde bukyali. Nebaza mwena abala video yange to the end ne mulabula nga temubuskipinze mikondi musiyemusa bakatuna ababyo musinga okwagala Ocean Media ko channel subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Mbalinzi.